Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video. In this video I am going to show you how you can go to Google Documents, create a new document and type in it. For most people this might sound weird that I make a full tutorial on this, but the thing is that on this channel I'm going to make a lot of short tutorials though. So what you want to do basically is you want to type in Google Documents. Now if you're up here, you're going to see make and edit documents online for free, Google. So if you click on this, as I can see, I don't see my documents, so we want to click on go to documents.
A few moments later.
As you guys can see right now we are in Google Documents. You want to click on create a new one, and once you're in here you can you just wait a little bit until, okay, wait, no, it's not going to pop up. Okay, so you right here you can edit the name of your document. So if I want to write a book about a girl and a boy, I just type book about a girl and a boy. Okay, yeah, that sounds really sick. Okay, that was just the first thing that popped up into my mind. Okay, so if you have this, what you basically want to do is start typing your document. Let's say I want to make a title. Let's make the title title. You know, that's the title for now. What we want to do, if we want to make it bigger in the middle or with lines under it, it's really simple. We want to select the word, then we want to click on this if we want to put it in the middle. If we want to make it bigger, we want to click on the plus near the number. Plus, 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 until it's big enough for you. You know, you can go really big though. If you want the title to be underlined, you can click on this, the U with the line under it. If you want it to be diagonal, if that's the word in English, if you want it like this, you click on that. And if you want it yeah, bigger but in a certain way, you want to click on this. I don't know how to say it in English though, because yeah, I just don't know, but you just want to click on this if you want to make it bigger, like in this way, as you can see, like the edges and stuff. If you want to delete all of this, you want to click on the T with a line through it, and then you have your original word. So if you want a word to mark with a color, you want to click on the pencil, and you can select whatever color you want to mark it in. If you want to give the if you want to change the type of your typing, you can go to it's probably going to be on Arial, so you click on Arial and you can change it how you want, as you can see. Is there anything else? Not really. Yeah, that's basically everything everything basic in Google Documents, guys. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and then I'll see you guys in the next video.